Good day, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, returning to our tropical weather analysis for this Monday to Wednesday, August 24 to 26, 2020. And this is brought to you by Typhoon2000.com, the Philippines' first website on tropical cyclones. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest graph sat, beginning today, Monday until tomorrow, Tuesday. We have here once tropical storm Igme, which moved out of the Philippine area of responsibility last weekend, is now a typhoon, and it's moving very slowly across the East China Sea, and it's now packing sustained winds of 130 with gustiness up to 160 kilometers per hour, 1 minute average. So this typhoon is now known as Vavi, that's the international name, and it is expected to move towards the Yellow Sea in the general direction of the western sections of North Korea. So as the storm remains here, the southwest monsoon will continue to be felt across the Batanes-Babuyan Group of Islands, the Bashi and Balintang channels as well, and the coastal areas of Ilocos provinces. So expect breezy conditions of up to 40 kph gust and some passing showers brought about by this monsoon system. Elsewhere across the Philippine Islands will be fine with deep blue and sunny skies, and later in the afternoon there will be a possibility of isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly across Mindanao and the Visayas. Elsewhere all across the Pacific, it's all clear. There's no active tropical system that could threaten the Philippine Islands. We are keeping an eye on this surface trough right here to the west of Guam, and it's likely to become a shallow low pressure area in the coming days, so we are going to observe that. So far, that's the latest from our graph sat, and as we move towards our fast animation, you can see here the swirling cloudiness of Typhoon Vavi as it moves towards the Yellow Sea while over the East China Sea. And we have here the surface trough and another trough here moving into the easternmost part of the Philippine Sea. We are going to observe that for possible development into a shallow low pressure area. And as we look at our zoom in satellite animation, this is from the windy.com website. This is the UMETSAT satellite loop. And as you can see, beginning at 10:45 a.m., you can see deep blue skies all across the Philippine Islands, the mainland Philippines. And as we move this loop for the next 6 hours, you can see here as the afternoon progresses, developing isolated thunderstorms across most parts of the Visayas and Mindanao, except Bicol region is clear, and some other parts of Luzon, including Mimaropa. And you can see here the effects of the southwest monsoon affecting Batanes and Babuyan Group of Islands, including the Scarborough Shoal or Panatag Shoal. And it's very clear here along the East Philippine Sea. It's all clear. And as we look at our 2-day rain and wind forecast from windy.com, by tomorrow afternoon there could be still some showers or thunderstorms here brought about by the southwest monsoon because of the enhancement brought about by Typhoon Vavi, while the Bicol region will have very low chances of thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening, and moderate chances across the Visayas, while moderate to high chances of thunderstorms across Mindanao on Tuesday. And on Wednesday, we could see some increasing thunderstorms across Mindanao and some parts of the Visayas and smaller parts of the Bicol region, brought about by local convection, and the southwest monsoon is start to retreat more to the north, and it's only affecting the Batanes Group of Islands and some localized thunderstorms as well across Cagayan Valley. And this is the LPA that might form within the next 48 hours. Come Wednesday, we are going to observe this system, that surface trough. As you look at our graph sat, it's there, and we are going to observe that for possible development into a shallow low pressure area. It's not yet active, so no worries. So there you go. That's the latest for this Monday through Wednesday, August 24 to 26, and we'll be returning again on Wednesday to give you more weather updates. From Typhoon2000.com, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser and #TyphoonWiser. And thank you for watching our weather channel.